Okay, the Honeytone amplifier. Unlike most portable amplifiers that only go into your headphones, your ear headphones, and this one is unlike that because this little box, size of my hand here, size of my fist, basically has a clip on it to clip to your belt, and it has a very loud speaker on it. Problem is, when it gets loud, it gets very distorted, but I'll show you some tricks with that later on. To turn it on, you just turn the knob and a red light goes up, and turn it off. It runs on a 9-volt battery, okay? However, it does not come with a power adapter. You have to buy that separately. And it's the DA1 Honeytone power adapter. What else? You got your jack to make it headphones if you want, and it doesn't have to be a studio headphone unlike the others. It can just be a normal headphone. And so let's get this thing cranked up. Today, for you, I will be using let's see, a 6-foot monster cable. And we're gonna see how this puppy works. I'm not gonna play any songs. I'm just gonna strum the strings. It's all in tone, so we're gonna turn all the effects like tone and gain off and just put it on volume, full volume. Now you just turn it down just a little bit, you know? It gets much clearer if you just I would say that's louder than an acoustic, this setting, and this seems to be the perfect setting. Let's see if I can go a little bit further with it. Nah. You gotta find that sweet spot. Now let's turn on the tone. And we'll raise the volume up a bit. Wasn't a good idea. Now we'll go to the gain. Turn this into a rock and roll. And I'll just give you a few rock and roll notes on, you know, just 1 second. Shit. And it still works, very durable. Oh, I didn't know if I mentioned this, but I'll be using a Mexican-made Fender Stratocaster. So, that's that. So, now, how do you make that sound nice and clear with what you got here? Well, there's another portable device called the NUX PG2 with 2 AA batteries it takes, and just like this, you have to buy the adapter separately, the wall plug-in part. And basically what this does is this allows me to like really fine-tune, adjust an amp setting, and I have presets, one for like raunchy rock and roll, another clear for like, you know, practicing and running my fingers around the guitar, and just all different types. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, and we're going to go to my first preset, which is the clear, and then on the output line we're going to put into the input line of the Honeytone, and I'll show you how this is all wired and set up. Okay, this isn't rocket science, so just bear with me here. This here is connected, the Honeytone is connected to the output of the setting. The input is coming from the guitar, so this is basically going through this sound effects before it goes to the amp, because you put this in the way because you want to adjust the sound. I'm going to have to put them both down to do this, so I'm going to turn it up a bit. Max, I'm going to turn it to the max. As you can see, there's not as much distortion, there really isn't, but at the max level because of the sound effects, but there is definitely a lot, just not as much as you would think from before. This preset is a little loud, so and now we're going to fine tune it. There we go. This would be another preset. Alright, and that's it for the Honeytone. If you're looking for more information on this guy here, this, if you hook up, one second, this, if you were to, let's say, hook up an adapter or a line that can take a 1/4 jack and then a 3mm, you can actually plug this in. And you know how when you try to plug your guitar into a boombox and it doesn't work? Well, this will actually turn any stereo with an auxiliary cable into an amplifier. So that's another good thing. So that's pretty much it, and see ya.